Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes and stability control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.